Hello and namaste to all my wonderful viewers. I hope you are healthy and happy today and taking good care of yourself. I am Neelam Singh and today I am going to share with you a yummy recipe of chicken curry. This recipe takes 1 hour 15 minutes, but trust me, it turns out great because we are not going to pressure cook the chicken here. We are going to roast it with all the masalas. In my future videos, I am going to share my recipe for goat curry. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all the notifications. So let's get started. We are taking chicken thighs and chicken breast. This is approximately 3.5 pounds, which is approximately 1.58 kilograms. We are taking 4 medium-sized onions, 2 tomatoes, half cup of coriander leaves chopped finely, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1.5 tablespoon of lightly roasted gram flour. So this gram flour I have dry roasted it. Now here 5 cloves of garlic, 8 cloves, 10 peppercorns, 1 black cardamom. This is approximately 2-inch ginger, 1 bay leaf, 2 green chilies and 2 pinches of hing, which is also called as Asafoetida. You should nicely wash this chicken. Now I'm going to chop these onions, chop tomatoes. I'll make a paste of garlic and ginger. I'm going to grind this a little coarse and then slice these green chilies. I've switched on the gas stove now, so my pan is heating. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ghee, clarified butter. You can take any other oil as well. You can take mustard oil, coconut oil, olive oil, whichever you like. We love clarified butter, desi ghee a lot, so I'm taking that. Now I will add this bay leaf, the cloves and the peppercorns which I grinded coarsely. Black cardamom, and now I'm adding the onions. You have to fry this onion till it gets a little light brown. Now you can add the ginger garlic paste. And now you are going to add chicken in it. We are not going to pressure cook the chicken because this chicken gets roasted well in all the ingredients. Now you are going to add the turmeric. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon of salt. We can add little more salt later. The salt we just added is now helping the chicken to cook well. Slowly this chicken will start releasing water and our chicken is going to turn out with lot of gravy. Place the lid and let it cook for around 5 minutes on a medium heat. I love this recipe and my family is crazy about this recipe. I'm back here after 5 minutes now. Let's see how it is turned out. Our onion, ginger, garlic and the masalas are getting absorbed in the chicken. You see? Wow. So it's been 25 minutes now since we started this recipe and I was mixing this after every 5 to 6 minutes. You see, I have not added any water here, but this is releasing its own juice. Oh my god, this is so tasty. I'm going to add tomatoes now and 1 teaspoon of salt. I am increasing the heat a little higher than medium. As this is cooking, let's heat the water separately because we are going to add some hot water later. Tomato has released its magic. So now we are going to add the masalas. Let's add a little red chili now. Add this coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Add this garam masala, 1 tablespoon. You can take any garam masala. You can take meat masala. I'm going to add these 2 green chilies because you know what? These green chilies are going to give a real peppy taste to it. And now this 2 pinch of Hing, the Asafoetida. Let's give it a nice mix. And let all these magic masalas get into this curry. I have tried this many times. My family just love it and I love it too. You see this? Chicken has started to leave its skin. And now I'm going to add a little hot water here. Never add cold water to any of your curries. It just ruins its taste. You can have this chicken with rice, with lot of curry. Also you can have it with flatbreads, also known as rotis. Okay, now I'm going to cover it here and I'm gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes. So now we are going to add the chickpea flour which we had roasted earlier. After this we are going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. 15 minutes are done. Look at this, look at this. So from the time we started cooking, it's 1 hour and 15 minutes now. So this chicken is cooked well and ready to eat. I'm adding this coriander. I love fresh coriander. I wish you guys could smell it. Try this recipe at home and I'm sure you and your family is gonna love it. This recipe has turned out to be very tasty. This is dinner time and me and my family is going to enjoy this yummy chicken curry. Please try this recipe at home and do let me know your comments. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.